I know you've all been itching to hear my latest deep dive into the most promising AI projects brewing gains just waiting to be unleashed. While other channels preach the usual suspects, I'm here to deliver the goods on true tech gems transforming industries from the inside, coins operating in the shadows to commercialize applications that'll shock the world. So if you're tired of run-of-the-mill rankings filled with nothing but hype, this is your chance to tune in as I uncover the cream of the AI crop. Over the next 10 minutes, I'll be profiling game-changing protocols in detail so you can assess them and decide on getting in early before they go nuclear. I'm talking background, tokenomics, roadmaps, everything you need to understand these projects better. So you better smash those like and subscribe buttons to stay plugged into this neural network. Your portfolio will thank you later. Alright then, let's kick things off with the #1 project positioned to rocket once this bear market. Strap in, because this first project is primed to kick AI's evolution into hyperdrive. Leading us off at the #4 spot, we have Bensur, an AI startup focused on building a collaborative deep learning marketplace. Through their ERC20 BTNS token, Bensur is developing tools to make state-of-the-art machine learning models more accessible and valuable to all. Their open protocol allows data scientists, researchers, and companies to train and deploy neural networks on a shared global computation network. This drives down costs through economies of scale while enriching models with diverse datasets. BTNS has followed the bearish trend, currently trading around $54, off a high last fall over $93.67. Despite a comparatively low $225 million market cap, Bensur is making positive strides, securing new customers. As ML applications proliferate across industries, demand will rise for techniques facilitating collaborative model development. Global businesses may also adapt their marketplace to leverage crowdsourced data. Risks include a saturated ML services industry, but Bensur's competitive advantages in transparency and accessibility could deliver outsized returns. Up next is a project flying under investors' radars. Coming in at 3rd spot is Render Token, fueling the Render Network, an open platform for GPU rendering in the cloud and 3D design space. This project enables on-demand access to GPU power in a decentralized, trustless network versus centralized clouds with restrictions. Render has already shown real-world adoption, with companies like Anthropic using it to train large ML models. Its network of over 100,000 GPUs across 65 countries provides insane processing power for applications in game development, VFX animation, AI, and more. Render Token has followed the overall market decline, currently priced around $1.34 after peaking last fall over $7. With a relatively small market cap of $500 million given its potential, Render remains undervalued and primed for explosive growth. Major upside catalysts lie ahead, such as additional partnerships to source more GPU providers worldwide. Acquisition by big tech is also not out of the question long term. Render is making huge strides pushing the boundaries of distributed rendering daily. On the bearish side, competition in cloud services is fierce. But with a 7+ year head start and focus on pros, Render is well positioned long term. Success could push this project to a multi-billion valuation, representing a 50 times return potential for early investors. Overall, Render represents a unique and advantageous way to invest in the booming 3D creation market primed for even more growth. Let's move on to another contender building the metaverse from the ground up is Decentraland, one of the pioneering projects in virtual and augmented reality infrastructure on the blockchain. Through its ERC20 Mana token, Decentraland has built a virtual world of user-owned 3D content and applications. In the Decentraland world, anyone can explore, build, monetize, or participate in social experiences. Already there are over 10,000 unique parcels of land owned, and hundreds of thousands of registered users socializing, gaming, or attending concerts and conferences within the metaverse. Mana has performed relatively well during the bear market, trading around 30 cents compared to late 2021 highs over $5. However, with a still modest market cap under $600 million, it has massive room for growth ahead as the metaverse matures. Major potential catalysts include continued partnerships with blue-chip brands, enhanced VR/AR integrations, and mainstream consumer adoption driving higher user numbers. The metaverse industry alone could reach over $1 trillion in the coming decade. Downside risks include competition from larger tech players like Meta pouring billions into building out their own metaverses. But Decentraland's early start and first-mover advantage should serve it well long-term. A $10 billion market cap within 5 years seems very reasonable, implying a 20 times return to $5 mana, making it a solid core, long-term hold to ride the explosive metaverse trends. For our final top prospect, I've saved Deep Brain Chain, one of the most well-established projects in the distributed artificial intelligence space. Since early 2018, DBC has been building a global AI computing platform leveraging idle hardware resources. Their scalable neural network surrogates technology allows general AI models to be broken into sub-problems and solved across a decentralized network using latent computing power from normal PCs, GPUs, and even mobile phones. This approach has powered myriad applications so far, ranging from computer vision to natural language processing, all while reducing costs by 2 to 5 times versus major clouds. DeepBrain's network currently spans over 1 million devices globally. The native DBC token has fallen over 95% from all-time highs, but with a low market cap, still presents outstanding value at just a few cents. This blue chip has secured arm's-length partnerships with tech giants like Baidu and Intel. With continued recruitment of AI developers and clients, DeepBrain is on track to achieving petaflop scale and unlocking new problem complexities. Success will likely catch the attention of the world's largest technology firms. At a $1 billion valuation within 2 years, DBC could 100 times from current prices, making it a prime candidate to be 2022-2023's breakout crypto hit. Distributed AI is its game, and DeepBrain is leagues ahead in the race. And with this, we've come to the end of our tour through 4 top AI cryptocurrency projects with massive upside potential in this emerging sector. Which of these do you have your hands on? Did we miss out on your favorites? Let us know in the comments. To quickly recap, we covered innovative leaders in fields ranging from AI safety and distributed deep learning to generative models, virtual worlds, and collaborative ML marketplaces. By diving into each project's tech, tokenomics, partners, and roadmaps, I hope I was able to convey why these 4 stand above the rest as compelling, long-term investment opportunities, especially at their currently discounted prices amidst the bear market. If these coins continue growing their communities and making advancement progress as anticipated, I could easily see 2 to 5 times returns within a year, and 10 to 100 times returns for the top players like Decentraland, DeepBrain Chain, and Render within the next major bull cycle. Remember, we're still early in AI's exponential growth. Of course, do your own research and only invest what you can afford to lose. While these projects are well positioned, execution risks remain as with any crypto venture. Thank you all for tuning in. Your continued support keeps us making videos like this. If you've enjoyed this video, then you'll definitely enjoy watching the next video we have for you here. So go ahead, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and see you in the next one.